Options traders weigh the odds of $100,000 Bitcoin by year end, and Microsoft considers a proposal to own BTC. This is CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Christine Lee. Bitcoin seesawing around the $68,000 threshold Thursday, BTC gaining about 0.2% over the past 24 hours in the U.S. morning. Bitcoin looks on course to close the week over 1% lower, according to CoinDesk indices data, having failed to sustain any of its ascents north of 68,000. Though traders are somewhat optimistic, BTC options trading on Deribit suggests a roughly 10% chance that BTC price will rise above $100,000 by December 27th. The possibility of prices rising to $82,000 is higher, though options market probabilities can change quickly with market conditions. The board of Microsoft has recommended shareholders vote against a proposal for the company to assess Bitcoin as an inflationary hedge. In a filing with the SEC on Thursday, Microsoft laid out issues to discuss at the company's next shareholder meeting. One of the proposals from the National Center of Public Policy Research, a conservative think tank, argues that Bitcoin is an excellent, if not, quote, the best hedge against inflation. The board is recommending shareholders vote against this proposal, the filing reveals, arguing that Microsoft already, quote, carefully considers this topic and the requested public assessment is unwarranted. Balance, Canada's long-standing crypto custodian, finally attained qualified custodian status this week, prompting the firm's CEO, George Bordianu, to say it's time to start bringing the country's ETF digital assets back home. Bordianu is alluding to the fact that the safekeeping of crypto assets underlying funds issued by Canadian ETF providers 3iQ, Purpose Investments, and Evolve end up in sub-custody arrangements and held by blue-chip U.S. exchanges like Coinbase and Gemini rather than remaining on Canadian soil. Bordianu saying, quote, "We have billions worth of retail assets in Canada's crypto ETFs that sit in the United States. We're trying to simplify the picture to make it cheaper and a little bit easier for new asset managers to do a few more ETF and mutual funds in Canada." That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.